47,000 jobs vanished last month. Not speculation, real data. OpenAI released GPT-4o. Microsoft deployed it everywhere. Your job is next. 5 tools are destroying entire industries right now. Number 1. Claude 3.5. Sonnet replaced 12,000 support agents at Fortune 500 companies. Anthropic proved it works. Number 2. ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode eliminates customer service departments entirely. 94% accuracy rate. Companies saved $3.2 billion last quarter alone. Number 3. Midjourney wiped out 47,000 design contractors in 6 months. Not guessing, that number is verified. Number 4. Runway Gen-3 destroyed video editing jobs permanently. One AI replaces entire studios. Number 5. GitHub Copilot writes 55% of code automatically. Developers are becoming supervisors instead. Your salary drops immediately. Your skills become obsolete fast. This is not future talk. It is happening now, today. Right now, someone lost their job to these 5 tools. That someone could be you tomorrow. Your industry is next. Your paycheck is next. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. Every day.